Let me introduce muna the topic on mission. Di ba? When we talk of mission, we talk of the reason for being. Now, don't be confused. There are two sets probably or more. There are two sets of employees. One is purely motivated by money. Walang problema yan. Walang problema yan. Kasi sometimes depende sa motivation ng tao eh. Kung meron niyang 3 anak, di ba? Wala tayong magagawa. Purely motivated. But, human beings are spiritual and emotional creatures. Ano ibig sabihin? Yung iba, they want to be part of something that can somehow change the world. Hindi lahat puro pera-pera. May dalawang klase. Di ba? Hindi naman lahat puro ganun. Hindi rin lahat puro about mission. It's okay. But for the moment, we're gonna talk about the reason for being. Kasi to a lot of people, this is their primary motivation. To be part of something big. Di ba? Apple has done it. Sabi nila, they want to change the world. Make it better. Di ba? So, kanya-kanyang mission yan. Reason for being. That should be our underpinning motivation. What do we want to contribute to the world? Diba? Before we end our life here, diba? Ano yung maiiwan mo? To a lot of people, yan talaga ang motivation. Kasi yung money, somehow, pag nakaipon ka na, wala na yung purpose mo, yung motivation mo. Yung next step now is really, how can you make a difference? Right? That's mission statement. That's developing a mission statement, the reason for being. Quick story. How powerful mission can be if you inculcate in your culture. Diba? Meron isang story, John F. Kennedy, President John F. Kennedy, one time visited NASA. Nandun yung janitor. Naglilinis yung janitor. Tinawag niya, "What are you doing?" Alam mo sabi ng janitor? "I'm helping a man to be sent to the moon." Naks, diba? Hindi niya nakikita yung trabaho niya, taga-walis lang. Diba? Napangiti si ma'am, diba? Ganon yung kanyang vision sa kanyang work. He's contributing to the somehow improvement of mankind, progress of mankind. So that's the reason for being. So may emotional part ang human being. So that's what we want to hear from your head here, who will share with us the mission statement of UV Care.